So how does your day looks like at Utho?
My day is a mix of strategy and conversation.
So you are saying like they just not only provided you the platform but also provided you the expertise and also provided you the way through which you can reach out to them.
We are able to reach out their customer services. They are available 24/7. They are not bot, they are not AI tool.
And since when you started using Utho?
Utho we started using it's been almost 2 years.
Okay. How about tough customer, right? How do you handle that?
See, मेरे लिए हर कस्टमर एक अलग जर्नी होता है. Every customer is using Utho platform very innovatively.
Upsell and cross-sell, right?
Exactly.
What are these two terms and how they are helpful?
Our primary motive is customer needs first, and then, as I mentioned, cross-sells and upsells will always be the outcome.
Welcome back to another episode of Techie Talks with Kuldeep. I'm your host Kuldeep Singh. We are excited to have Miss Anushree Patel joining us today. She is the Customer Relationship Manager at Utho. Let's hear more directly from her.
Thank you so much, Kuldeep, for the warm welcome, and I'm really excited to be here. काफ़ी अच्छा environment है यहाँ पे, so definitely मज़ा आएगा आज आपसे बात करके.
So before we start our conversation, could you share about yourself?
Okay, so hi, my name is Anushree Patel. I work as Key Account Manager at Utho, but really it's not about the position what I am at. तो KRA कभी भी define नहीं होता when you have the ownership, right? So I look forward to a lot of things at Utho. So definitely that's it. So I do not define myself by a KRA. So जैसे ही कोई भी responsibility आती है, I see कि if I am needed, I definitely will jump to that particular problem and help in resolving that problem. So this is my core.
Yeah, and that I do agree because being in a startup, you might need to wear the different hat. So how does your day looks like at Utho?
Okay, so from past 1 year, my day is a mix of strategy and conversation.
Okay.
Be it with the team, be it with the conversation. So strategy and conversation is the most important thing that I believe can sustain a customer as well. And definitely when it comes to team, it gives them perspective ki how you have to manage the customer. What is the essence to manage the customer. So that is where my whole role is. And definitely a lot of spreadsheets work is also involved in that. So yes.
How about tough customer, right? Or the customer who is not happy with the services or support, etc. How do you handle them?
Okay, yes. So when it comes to the tough customers, I have been in the situation जहाँ पे कई बार हमें बहुत irritated customers को deal करना पड़ता है. No matter कि problem किसके side से हुआ, क्या हुआ, तो वहाँ पे we have to balance out things in a way कि उन्हें हम facts भी बताएं, but at the same time, since we are dealing with the emotions, high emotions, so उसको balance out करना, मतलब वहाँ पे empathy stands out, right? So amalgamation of again emotions and आपका facts कि आप क्या चीज़ें हुई, कैसे हुई. So at the right time उसको कब present करना है. Looking forward to that. But yes, the best thing is कि हम कब समझते हैं कि customer को we have gained their trust is when कि मैंने कहा उनका कॉल आया मेरे पास, किसी भी कस्टमर का कॉल आता है कि अनुश्री अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा, that is why I called you. Then I got to know कि okay, now I am there और अब customer satisfaction peak पे है. If they are calling me when everything is in its worst form and they are calling me, so I pick up the call, I give them the assurity कि ये चीज़ हो जाएगा सर, इतना time दीजिए. But you have to be very genuine with them as well कि if you have said 15 minutes, update them in 15 minutes. You have to take the responsibility. So that makes my role better, and customers are really they trust me for the same reason, and my team as well for the same reason.
I completely agree. And in your role, right, so you say that customer success manager, right?
Exactly.
Or so your main job is to make them successful, right?
Definitely.
How do you build this relationship?
For sure. See, मेरे लिए हर customer एक अलग journey होता है, एक अलग story होता है, because every customer is using Utho platform very innovatively.
Okay.
वो हमें भी कभी-कभी पता चलता है okay, this is the way we can utilize the platform और कैसे cost optimize कर रहे हैं. One of my customer only, they built their own API to go ahead and turn on and turn off the servers as well. कुछ ऐसा उन्होंने किया, तो that was really helpful for us as well. तो we have set QBR sessions. अब उस QBR session के लिए customer अगर feedback भी देने आ रहा है तो it's very hectic उनको भी मनाना कि आप आओ, हमारे साथ बैठो, बात करो. तो जब तक वो trust नहीं होता है कि yes, this session is very important, right? So हम QBR sessions रखते हैं हर quarterly, depending upon what kind of customer it is. So हम QBR sessions रखते हैं. We have a feedback कि हम अपने प्लेटफॉर्म को किस तरीके से और बेटर बना सकते हैं. तो उस पे सेशंस होते हैं. We try to understand their story and once they are comfortable, and let me share with you the journey being from very much new to being comfortable इतना ज़्यादा कि they share their deepest insecurity about cloud platform, about migration to me, and then they when I share something कि this you can do on the platform, and they actually say okay, let's give it a try. So there comes कि हाँ trust है, and they are going ahead and managing, actually taking my advice and following it as well, and definitely there comes the success. And अगर उनकी success होगी तो definitely जो भी upsells होते हैं, जो भी retention होते हैं, that is only the outcome of what we are doing as of now in the present. What are the efforts we are making as of now without attaching ourselves with the outcomes. So definitely upsells and retention जो 100% रहता है, हर member का रहता है कि 100% retention तो करना है. So that comes from the nature of serving the customer.
Okay.
That is there.
Very nice to hear. What are some of the KPIs or the metrics which you personally use to measure, yes, my clients are successful, they are happy doing what they would like to do, and even it is benefiting Utho as well?
Okay, in terms of facts, we are having some metrics that shows us number ki how we are doing. One remains the CSAT scores, one is NPS, and then what is the retention rate, what is the churn rate is there. So these all things tell us what exactly is overall growth, right? In terms of the account management or customer success team, and definitely the feedbacks are there. And one of our team member also keeps calling every customer ki everything is fine or not, everything is working fine. So this is also there. And then as I mentioned before कि हम सक्सेसफुल हुए कि नहीं, ये उस बात पे डिपेंड करता है कि मैंने ये बोला कि भाई ये वाली चीज़ है, एज इन कि लेट मी शेयर अ एग्जांपल विद यू. वन ऑफ आवर कस्टमर नीडेड वन कंप्लाइंस फ्रॉम आवर साइड. सो कभी कभी कंप्लाइंस जो होता है ना, दैट इज जस्ट अ फोमो कि उन्होंने उनको चाहिए वो कंप्लाइंस तो मुझे भी चाहिए होगा. बट एट द वेरी बेस लाइन व्हेन यू गो अहेड एंड रीड द कंप्लाइंसेस, they do not actually need that compliance. So we educate them ki sir, you do not actually need this particular thing. You can manage without it with these things. So and when they actually go ahead and take your advice and do things accordingly, then I think that is where my success is.
Okay. Yeah. And Anushree, you also touched around something like upsell and cross sell, right?
Exactly.
What are these two terms and how they are helpful?
See, upsell, when it comes in cloud industry, upsell it's just like you are going ahead and the customer is using your server and they are purchasing more and more servers from you. And same if any other product is there, it comes under cross sells. So it actually, once we are in the meeting with the customer, we listen to them and then we advise. Suppose many of our customers never have took backup. Okay. Right? But it's very crucial if anything happens to the server, where they will go. So we recommend them to please take a backup of your server. We educated them ki how it is important, right? So definitely is a cross sell as an outcome. It's a revenue generation, but at the same time it's
beneficial,
very valuable for the customer, right? So that is there. Our primary motive is customer needs first. And then, as I mentioned, cross sells and upsells will always be the outcome. And not only the cross sell and upsell, if their experience is like a king at Utho, then definitely they will go ahead and refer a lot of customers. So we have launched one plan as well for partnerships. We have launched referral programs as well. So if anyone who is referring any customer as well, they can go ahead and make a fortune out of it as well. So this is how we are dealing with revenue generation and sustainability as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So upsell and is not only for the benefit of Utho, but it is also benefit for your client.
Definitely. Client first mindset is there. Yeah.
Looks good, and thanks a lot for sharing this information. Now we will have a customer also who is
Yes.
most probably going to be validate your theory
For sure.
which you have put into this conversation. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Kuldeep.
Now we do have a real customer to share his story with Utho. Dilshad, welcome.
Hi, my name is Dilshad. I'm working as a DevOps engineer with VizAI, which is based out of Pune.
Dilshad, you shared that you do have a very good story to share about Utho. What is that?
Since I'm a part of the startup, VizAI is a startup company, and we were struggling to reduce the cost, and we were paying around more than $55,000 per month.
Okay.
And this is when we started looking for some cloud provider which can reduce our cost. And we fortunately got Utho as a cloud provider, and we were able to reduce our cost from 55,000 to below 20,000 from last 6 months. And
so that's roughly 50 to 60%
50%.
reduction overall.
Correct.
And did Utho and its customer relationship management team help you in this journey?
Yes, so we've been in touch with the Utho from the day one, and we have been able to receive a lot of support from the CRM team, from the sales team, and we are able to speak with Manoj sometime when we need help from him.
So you are saying like they just not only provided you the platform, but also provided you the expertise and also provided you the way through which you can reach out to them and get your problem solved.
Yes. So most of the time, whenever we need help, we are able to reach out their customer services. They are available 24/7. They are not bot. They are not AI tool. They are real human, and they are available over the call. And in case there is some technical expertise is required, technical team is also available over the call.
Okay, that's good that you reduce this price. But what benefit it bring to your organization? Any specific example or impact you would like to share?
So when we were paying 55,000, we
Yes.
did not have any space for buying any other tools or any other like we cannot hire any resource. So with this reduction of cost, we are able to buy some tools, DevOps tool, and we were able to hire one new guy in my team.
Okay. So what is the biggest successful metric you would like to say in terms of like, hey, it helped you to retain the people, also it helped you in getting another person, and also you were able to spend the amount on new tool set, etc.
Yes, so it has a positive impact overall. If I start from the DevOps platform, we are able to hire a new guy, and we are able to spend some money on the DevOps tool, and overall company expenses is reduced, which is also giving a confidence that we are able to contribute in company's goal some way.
And since when you started using Utho?
Utho we started using it's been almost 2 years with.
Okay. And do you also see that they are keep releasing the new feature and the new functionality as part of the platform, or it is still the same when you started your journey?
No, Utho is quite innovative. They have been releasing new product, new services, new features. I've seen that like we are using few of the services, but we have also seen I've seen other features and changes in our existing services as well.
Okay, so you are sharing that Utho is quite innovative.
Yes.
They first thing is they provide what they claim, like around the reduction. Second thing, it is also they help you from the customer perspective. It is not something that they just give you the platform and then you are just driving on your own. Third thing is they are partner with you, even with your cloud solution, even with what the setup should look like. And the fourth and most important thing is they are also innovating, which means they are adding new features to the platform which you might not be using it today, but tomorrow you might be using. Correct?
Yeah.
Thanks Dilshad for sharing this. It is very helpful. That's it for this episode of Techie Talks with Kuldeep. Until next time, keep learning and keep innovating. Thank you for watching.